So here we have the Sound Sales tuner. It's a model DX plus 3 Type B. It dates from about 1951. We did some restoration work on this about 7 years ago, basically recapping it, checking the resistors out. I did a quick alignment check, and that was about it. And it was working reasonably well. Anyway, it's been packed away like everything else for the last 3 years or so. And I came across it in the garage the other day, so I thought I'd check it out. And the iTube that was in it was an EM34 by Mullard, which was really dim. So I managed to find some other suitable iTubes in stock, and the one that's in it is a military equivalent of the EM34. So this tuner has got 5 wavebands, and these are all marked in meters. These aren't in frequencies, these are in meters. A little bit confusing. I tend not to be able to think in meters very well. But the broadcast band is basically spread over these two ranges here. So you've got 5 bands, you've got a tuning control on-off switch, you've got a selectivity switch which varies the spacing between one of the IF transformers, secondary to primary winding spacing. I'll show you that in a minute. It's got a sort of receive local and receive distance, so that alters the sensitivity of the unit. It's also got a gramophone position here, and a volume control, as well as the Magic Eye, which is a dual sensitivity eye. It's got a very sensitive side, less sensitive. This one works at 0 to 6 volts on the AGC line, and this is 0 to 25, something like that. So it's actually powered by an external power supply up there. The unit was designed to be mounted in some sort of small rack or a cabinet with an amplifier for public broadcasting, sort of in a hotel lobby or a factory or a school or something like that. And that's what Sound Sales really specialised in for the few years they were operational. And there's no amplifier on it, it's just a tuner. So I've got a couple of little computer speakers up there connected to the output, but the volume control works that. You can see the tuning eye working there, but there's just that much noise that the sensitive side of the tuning indicator's closed all the time. It's only the less sensitive side you can see actually moving there. And selectivity, sort of minimum is sort of broadest selectivity, and it doesn't make a lot of difference. But what that actually does is vary the coupling between these two windings on the one of the IF transformers. So that would be the most selective position, the minimum coupling, and less selective with maximum coupling. So this would give more fidelity in this position, less fidelity but less interference in that position. Better for short wave reception.